Alright, so this is Blubbr. It's just blubbr.tv, and when you do get here, you do need to log in or sign up. I've just been using my Facebook account, but you could just use your email if you wanted to. It will ask you to log in with Facebook, which then will probably ask you, these permissions, can it post on your wall, blah, blah, blah. And you can see it already knows who I am because it's just pulling it off of my Facebook profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my profile, and I haven't created any yet because I'm going to create one with you right now. And then of course you can see there's ways that we can share it over here: Facebook, Twitter, Google+. But anyway, let's create a triv now. If it opens. So after that, you're going to give it a title, and so I picked a YouTube video of the Hudson, or the plane that crashed in the Hudson River. And so click next, and now it wants me to search for the video. So you could just do a generic YouTube search. The best way I've found is to use YouTube, find the video, then copy the link to that video. So I'm going to copy this link here and then paste it here. So the first time you use it, it'll show you kind of the different areas. So this is where your videos show up. So you could actually use multiple videos if you wanted to, which is kind of slick. This is where you crop the sections of the video. Over here is where you make your questions, and then when you're finished, you hit I'm done. Notice here that you have to make at least 5 questions, but you can make more. So I'm just going to close this really quick. And so if I click on my video, it'll immediately load the whole video from YouTube, but you can only drag a little section here. So this video is very long. You can only drag a maximum of 20 seconds of your video. So I'm going to grab a little section here
to decide what to do
of this video and figure out where I want it to be. So as you drag, it'll show you what part of the video that you're at.
Both of the plane's engines have stopped working.
Mayday, this is Cactus 1549.
The plane is falling from the sky.
But for this particular video, I'm just going to jump right to the beginning for my first question. That's pretty close. I just want a shot of the plane here, so I'm going to redo
US
it.
Airways Flight 1549 has just left New York.
That'll probably be pretty good for my first little section here.
LaGuardia Airport.
Birds.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my question text here. So I'm going to ask the first question, what kind of aircraft was this? The correct answer always goes here, so don't think of it as A, B, C, D. Just put your correct answer here, and then the wrong answer is over here. So the correct answer is it was an Airbus A320. And I'm going to type in some incorrect answers here. All right. So now I have my multiple answers. I'm going to click Add Question, and then it's going to have my first question pop up down here, which is pretty slick. And so I can go back and edit it if I want to, but I'm going to move on to the next section. So I'm actually going to jump to the end here and put in the question so you don't have to watch me add each question, and I'll see you at the end of the second. Okay, so I went ahead and added a few other questions. I selected different clips. I have this clip here selected, again, under 20 seconds because that's the maximum length of the clip. And I've already entered my question text over here with the correct answer and then some incorrect answers. And so notice when I click add question and I have 5 questions, I should be able to click this I'm done button. So there we go. I have 5 questions. I'm going to click I'm done, or actually you can preview it here. So if I click preview, it should go through the video clips that we selected, and then it will have the multiple choice questions as well as a timer to answer. And so that's how it will look like to your students. I'm going to go ahead and click I'm done. And so it's going to want you again to give it a title and then to give it some sort of a category tag for whatever you want to, whatever kind of video you've made. I'm just going to throw education here because this is kind of like history. And then if I want to do any tags, I can do tags down here and then publish. So while that publishes really quickly, again, anyone can find this trib. They can search for it on the Bubblr site. But now I have some great ways to share this, so you can challenge people by sending it to them. I could share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, give a direct link, or I can embed it, which is pretty slick because if you have a website and you want to embed it, hey, go for it. Embed it right into there. And so there you have it. That is how you make a YouTube quiz using Bubblr.